bodyguards. That means he begins to get touched. You're dead! Dead! But we can dance too. No shade. No shade. No shade.
So when are we gonna do shout outs?
Shout out to whatever you feel like. We pick up a name like. Okay.
Shout out to Terrence.
Shout out to Terrence since he wasn't here. He couldn't stay the whole weekend.
Stupid.
He ain't stupid.
He's very stupid.
On the camera. Oh God. Oh God.
Shout out to Sweet Lenny.
Sweet Lenny.
Shout outs to Marcus Foster. Shout outs to Marcus.
Shout out to girl in 6th hour.
Oh, the girl in 6th hour. That.
You know who you are.
You know who you are.
You know exactly who you are. I killed you last week.
Whoa, man. Not cool.
Cool.
My savvy.
Boop. Boop. You took me. Ow. Boop. What thing was that? Ow. Look, you guys, check out Tristan with a mohawk.
Dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, dear God. I look like one of those evil play babies. Oh, my God. It's in a triangle.
Take your hair. Take your hair. Then I'm gonna kill you when you're done.
Whoa, man.
Not cool. Shout outs to Bree. She knows she can get it. You know what it is.
Shout out to Faith. She already got it.
By the whole crew.
LOL. LOL. JK.
She got it by the crew.
You're right.
Shout out to all them tiggle bitty peoples.
On the count of 3, we have to say.
1, 2, 3. Alright, so anyways.
It's so soft.
Touch it. Go ahead.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Yeah. So,
Alright, I'm Tristan's other hand. Hi.
shout out to my new boo, my wifey, my baby mama.
Who's this? Who is this?
T-Asia.
Who is this? Oh,
T-Asia.
T-Asia. You are something else. You are something else. No, get off the camera.
Oh my God. Like, so I'm gonna hide behind this.
Alright. So you see it.
Oh God! As long as you didn't hit the grilled cheese.
Ow.
Brisk. Wait, I have to show them the logo. Brisk. Very brisk for you. My turn. Fine.
Why is it on you chilling? So, we're all single. Go ahead and get at us.
I'm not.
You know
Josh, you know you ain't single.
I'm not.
I am.
Malik ain't single.
Oh.
I'm single though. On the other hand.
We don't even do white girls, so if you white,
I
don't
do.
even try.
Yeah, Malik does. Malik
Don't even
does.
try if you white.
But besides Malik,
So.
I mean, only one. Only,
for
that's
all
only
you
one girl.
for all you white girls out there, Malik, you man.
No,
Me and
I'm not.
Weezy.
Malik.
We stay true to our kind. Me and Josh, we stay true to the black people. Oh my
virginity. Oh!
Oh Lord.
Stop it. Mess
All
up
right.
the camera. No. Alright, wrap it up.
Alright, y'all gotta give me a beat. Y'all gotta give me a beat. I'm finna rap.
Alright.
To wrap this up.
Shout outs to the fishies.
Beat on
The
this.
fish video. Shout out.
Come on, make a
Oh,
make
we
a-
gotta hit that. Let me spank it.
What's that?
Remember the day? He said, let me spank it, girl. Special day, baby. Let me spank it, girl. Special day, baby. Let me spank it, girl. Special day, baby. Let me spank it, girl. Let me spank it, girl.
Let me slang it,
Let me
girl.
spank it, girl.
I already slanged it,
Let me
babe.
spank it, girl.
Give me that super dope beat. Give me that super dope beat. Josh. Josh. I need that super dope beat.
Alright.
Somebody give me that super dope
What kind of beat? Fast or slow?
beat. Any beat. Just make a beat.
I don't know.
Go like.
Do you
Give me a
wanna
beat.
ride to the backseat of... Oh, no.
PG-13.
Oh, he killing it. He killing it. What's the camera moving? Hit that footwork. Hit that footwork.
Finna rap. After this beat drop. Hold on. Finna hit. I've been here all day. Chillin'. Make sure this nigga is made chicken. And you know this nigga is hungry. And you know I don't know what to say. But I'm still on the track. And this dude's hairline is really